How to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, if you are having that kind of issue, you may follow this step. So first thing you can do is ensure your operating system and device are supported. So first thing you can do is just go ahead and update your WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp application. Just go ahead and open it up and open your Play Store and look for the search and just go ahead and search for WhatsApp, and then just go ahead and update your particular application to the latest version if any kind of update is available for this application. The next thing you can do is make sure your device and operating system are supported by WhatsApp. So you can just go ahead and look out for your device's settings. Open it up, and from your settings you can scroll down and look for software update and update your whole system to the latest version, as if your device is too old or your operating system is not up to date, it may not be able to handle video calls correctly. After that is done, if you have opened up your WhatsApp, you can just go ahead and close up your WhatsApp completely. Wait for a few minutes and then just go ahead and restart your WhatsApp application. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and long press on your power button and try restarting your entire phone in order to fix that issue. And sometimes a weak or unstable internet connection can also cause that issue. So head over to WhatsApp, and from here go over to connections, and from here go over to Wi-Fi, and just go ahead and look out if you have stable Wi-Fi or data connection. And the thing is, you need to have your phone's permission, like for WhatsApp. So long press on WhatsApp, go to the info section at the top, and you need to ensure that WhatsApp has all the necessary permissions. For that, go over to permissions, tap on it, and then from here look out if it has all the necessary permissions allowed or not. So this is it for now. You may follow this method in order to fix it. If none of those work, you can try contacting WhatsApp support for further assistance. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.